Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify pull request checks using GitHub Actions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify pull request checks using GitHub Actions, start by navigating to your repository on GitHub. Click on the Pull Requests tab at the top of the page. Select the pull request you want to verify. Before the check is configured, you need to create a GitHub Actions workflow. Go to the Actions tab in your repository. Click on New Workflow if you don't have any existing workflows. If you have existing workflows, click on Set up a workflow yourself or choose a template that fits your needs. In the workflow editor, start by defining the workflow name with the name key at the top. Next, specify the trigger for the workflow by adding the on key. For pull request verification, use the pull_request event to trigger the workflow. Define the jobs that will run when the pull request event occurs. Create a job using the jobs key followed by a unique job identifier. Within the job, specify the runs on key to define the virtual environment. Common options include Ubuntu latest, Windows latest, or macOS latest. Next, add a steps section under your job. Begin your first step with the name key to describe what the step does. Use the uses key to specify an action you want to run, such as checking out the code with actions/checkout at v2. Add any additional steps as necessary to run tests or checks on the code. Include commands necessary for building your application if required. For running tests, add a step with the relevant testing command. Make sure to capture the output of these commands, as this is essential for verification. Once all your required steps are added, save the workflow file. The file should be located in the .github/workflows directory of your repository. Commit the changes to your main branch or another branch that will affect the pull request. When the pull request is created or updated, the GitHub Actions workflow will automatically trigger. You can monitor the progress of the workflow by going back to the Actions tab. Click on the latest workflow run associated with your pull request. Review the logs of each step to verify if all checks have passed or if there are any failures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.